Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Greatly appreciate it. Almost forgot about this box. I don't remember seeing an email that it was late, but all of a sudden it just, here's your shipping and updating, and I'm like, honestly, I didn't even pick anything in this. I don't remember getting an email. It was choice to pick your box, so, you know, it is what it is. There were two things outside of the package, and one was from Revlon, and this is Exfoliate and Glow. So it's a double-sided brush. I don't know if you guys can, let me see if I can open this. How does this open? It's out right here. It's taped, so let's untape it, and I'll show you. There's a, like, double-sided. Okay. So you can see the back is just like a rough exfoliator, good for maybe like your elbows, your knees, and then here's the soft bristles for like your face or your arm, your chest, however you want to use this. I love my, oh God, what are they called? Spongelles, because they're exfoliating in the shower, but I have something like this in my shower already, but I'm not unhappy about that. I didn't know Revlon made one. Gentle bristles, and then the exfoliator silicone pad on the other side. And then one of my ones that I really enjoy are the Wander Beauty eye patches, and this is a whole box, so you have 6 of them in here. I think these stay better than most, so you get, you know, there's 6 of them, and these are gold. I think they stay under your eye. They're not slip down, they don't fall. So I am excited for this. My one girlfriend says she puts these on her smile lines along with under her eyes to help. So, I mean, I was glad she shared that little tip with me for that. Let me close this. And then we'll see what's in the box. I have no idea. Okay, so we have a card, as usual. And this is the December box, it says. And then you can get, I guess, 5 or 6 of these items come in your box. So let's see, the first one that I have is from NARS, and it's a blush, the Air Matte Blush. Air Matte Blush is $30. And this is an Orgasm, which is their, you know, their cult favorite. So here's the packaging. So it's a pot, the shade. I'll open it. And this is a cream, I do believe. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little shimmer in that. That's not bad. I'm not going to swatch it because I think I have like 3 different blushes from NARS that are Orgasm. So I might share that. Anything's possible. There's 2 more items in here. Let me see if I can get all this stuff in here. Oops. We have a product here from Project Lip. And this is a Plump and Gloss 1904. And then here's Plump and Gloss. Let's open this. I'll get these open. I don't know if this is just a clear, honestly. If it is, I might share it because I do have all of my, yeah, so this is just right here. I might share this one because I have 2 faced wands, and I know I've received a few recently, so I might share that. From the brand Say, this is really nice. Mascara, lengthening and lifting, $26. I might keep this even though it's full size because I have not tried their mascara. Let me, I think Kelly Stratt had done this. And this is one of those like rubberized brushes. I generally like them better than the bristles. So I'm excited to give that a try. And then I see a brush in here, which I don't see on my card. Blush. No. So this is from, who is this brush from? I have no clue. No clue who this is. It says something on it. Oh, Alamar. Alamar Cosmetics, so a blush, you know, a regular shadow brush. Right, and it says detailed diffuser brush, so this would be good to blend like your crease, but you could use it for whatever you want. Not bad. Not a bad box for Chic Beauty Box. And this, like I said, this is their December box. But I just received this the other day. And it does come, you know, in an outer, you know, packaging. So, I figured I'd bring it to you as soon as I could. And then I received another package from Boom Beauty in PR. You know, they kindly gift this to me. So let's get that out of the way. I have a card here. Aw, this must have been shipped around Christmas. Beautiful card. And I did get, Monique, I received your card, and Janet. I can't share Janet's card because it's her family and her grandbaby, so I would never show that unless Janet has already shared it. So, and then Monique was a beautiful card, so thank you. Thank you for being part of our advocate program. We're excited to see what 2025 will bring. Happy holidays. Love the Boom team. That's really nice. This stuff all came like super late. I'm trying to think when I received this. They're not marked, but it's okay. So there are 3 things in here. The Boomstick Glow. I've enjoyed their products. And whenever I put anything on Oreo's bed, which is right next to me, she has to come over and decide, I want to lay there. She was just laying elsewhere. So here's the packaging. I don't know if there's any shades on these. This is just Boomstick Glow. Yeah, this is a clear. I think I have one of these. I'll have to see if that's any different from the one I have. Ugh. Sniffles. Then I have a mascara, Boom Bright. And this should be black, but you never know. I remember when they sent me all their like testers of mascaras to see which one I like best. Right here. I like the tubes also, like not the hard tubes, this. And I see this is like a rubberized. I love them. This mascara is very good. I've used it in the past. I still have some. So I will keep that one. And now she jumps down when I decide I'm not going to use her area. And a Boom lip gloss. And this, I don't think these have any names on them. But let's see what this is. Come here. And this is it right here. Let's see. And it's, you know, one of the tubes. It smells good. So I'm happy to have this. I don't think I have a lip gloss from them. So thank you to Boom for gifting this to me. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you for the card. And I'm happy to be part of your team. So that's it for today. That will be Chic Beauty Box and my Boom PR that I received. Let me know your thoughts on the Chic Beauty Box. Like I said, I totally forgot about it, if I'm honest with you. I was sick. It was holiday time. But I even looked back to see if I overlooked an email. I just didn't see one that it was Choice Day. But still a good, I mean, they did fine choosing for me. I'm not unhappy with anything in there. I don't know if I would have chose all that. I definitely would have chose the under eye mask for sure. So let me know your thoughts. Do you get the Chic Beauty Box? Let me know that too. Thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.